Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen4 is a model newly released. Its image does not look very attractive. Simple. Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen4 comes equipped with a 13th generation Intel Core i5-13 certified U processor. It also has RAM 8GB DDR4-3200 MHz on board, free one slot and storage 512GB NVMe M.2 ASD 2280 PCIe option, offering flexibility for multitasking, but not for gaming. Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen4 its screen look opaque, not as transparent as other models, but when we use it for a long time, it prevents our eye from hurting. It has screen display option 14-inch VGA 1920 by 1200 IPS non-touch. Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen4 laptop has a nice keyboard with good travel, and its backlight is bright and does not bother our eye. With a 52.5 WH battery, 15.40 HV, the battery life on the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen4 is not exceptional. Expect around 3 to 4 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. ThinkPad T14 Gen4 comes with various ports including USB-C 3.2 Gen2, USB 2.0, 1X USB 3.2 Gen1, HDMI, network, and headphone/microphone jack, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and peripherals. ThinkPad T14 Gen4 is a solid choice for you use normal. It is not a good choice for gamer and designer. This is just my opinion. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.